Hello students, the formula in integration, the formula integral f dash x by f of x dx equal to log of f of x plus c. So how to use this formula in the problems? See, application number 1, integral, see, 1 by x dx. 1 by x dx is, see, this is f of x and this is f dash of x. So by applying that formula, this value is, so log of x, log of x, f of x is x plus c. And next, take second example, integral secant square x by tan x. Here see, this is f of x and this is f dash of x. Okay, in this case, see dx. Okay, see, by using this formula, log of tan x plus c. And next we go to example number 3. Suppose integral cot x dx. What is this integral? This we can write cos x by sin x dx. Okay. Now, see, this is f of x, that is f dash of x. This is f of x. Here this is f dash of x. So, this integral is log of f of x, that is log of sin x plus c. And then if we take fourth example, see, example number 4. Okay, example number 4, right. So example number 4, 1 by x log x dx. So here in this case we can write 1 by x by log x. So this is f of x and this is f dash of x, right. So in this case we can write log of f of x, that is log of log x plus c. And we take one more example, a fifth example, integral minus cosec square x by cot x. So this integral is, here this is f of x, this is f dash of x. So the integral is log of f of x, log of cot x plus c. Thank you.